fifth and final day of spring cleaning 2023. I finished off cleaning, decluttering, and organizing the kitchen. I finally found a bougie baggy wrap holder thingy that works for my space. That's been a long time coming, so I was excited about that. I still have plans for the cutlery drawers, and I'm going to do a separate video of my new coffee and tea drawer, which I absolutely love. I've finally gotten rid of enough things that we don't use or need to make the space for it, so I'm excited about that. I made sure to clean the windows and tracks and line or reline any drawers or cupboards that needed it. In stories, I had asked my followers for a solution for my dish drying pad storage, and I really loved this easy fix. It worked perfectly. Next was our bed, bath, and closet area. So I deodorized, vacuumed, and flipped the mattress with some help, cleaned the windows and tracks. I've edited my clothes twice in the last year, so this time we focused on Mustachio's stuff. So we took everything out, and then we actually had friends over for sushi and a fashion show, and we donated a ton, and our oldest son got an entire new wardrobe too. And last was our bathroom vanity area. Everything came out, got cleaned, and then got put back. I even cleaned my makeup brushes. I really love this little tool to use for that. Thanks for following along with another year of spring cleaning.